In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elevenlabs with Capcut. We will start inside the Elevenlabs platform where you can create the voiceover for your video. After opening the site, look to the left-hand menu and click on Text-to-Speech. This is the main area where you will turn written text into spoken audio. Once you are there, paste your script into the text-to-speech box. If you already have your narration written out, this makes the process quick and simple. If you want a more customized sound, you can also use the VoiceLab to clone a voice or select a voice that fits your project. The key here is choosing a voice style that matches the mood and purpose of your video. Whether that's professional, calm, energetic, or more conversational. Next, adjust the voice settings. You will typically see controls like stability, similarity, and style. These settings help shape how natural and expressive the final audio sounds. Take a moment here, because small adjustments can make a big difference. If your video is more informative, you may want a steadier tone. If it's more dynamic or creative, you can experiment a little more with style. After that, click Generate and listen to the preview. This is your chance to make sure the pacing, pronunciation, and overall tone sound right. If needed, go back and fine-tune the settings until you are happy with the result. Once everything sounds good, click the download icon and save the file as an MP3 to your device. Now move over to Capcut. Whether you are using the PC version, mobile app, or the web editor, and open your video project. From there, go to the Media tab. This is where you'll bring in the voiceover you just created. Click Import or Upload. Then select the MP3 file you downloaded from Elevenlabs. After the file appears in your media library, drag it down onto your project timeline. This is where you can begin syncing the narration with your visuals. Move the audio as needed, and if necessary, split or trim the track so it lines up cleanly with your clips. Taking a little extra time here will make your final video feel much more polished and professional. To make your content even easier to follow, use Capcut's built-in auto captions tool to generate on-screen text. This is especially helpful for accessibility and for viewers who watch without sound. Once everything is perfectly synced and looking the way you want, click Export to render your finished video. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.